Okay,
now that we're calmed down, I'm gonna try to find my cats because I can't find them. And they're probably in the garage. That's probably where the noises were coming from in the first place.
And so maybe the cats just turned into giant dragons?
Possibly. That's what I'm guessing. You know? They've always been really strange. Yeah, so I'll be right back. Have fun, okay? I'm sorry I'm always leaving you by myself, but my garage is really messy, and I really don't want anyone to see it.
It's okay. Whatever. I love this fish. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh, I would rape you. Oh. Cheyenne? Cheyenne? Do you have like light switch remotes or something? Because this is really scary. There's no one in here. No, it's locked. I'm scared. I'm gonna have like anxiety or something. And it's following me. Cheyenne? It's stopped. Okay, I'm gonna go pee or something. Cheyenne? Cheyenne? Hello? Cheyenne? Are you in here? Are you in the bathroom? Yeah.
Why are all the lights turned off?
I don't know.
I heard something.
They were all flickering. And I thought it was you.
I can't find my cats.
Well, I heard a loud sound in your room.
I can't find my cats.
Shit.
I don't know where they are. My mom's home. Do you think it was her? Let's go check.
Okay.
We'll be right back, okay?
Okay.